I have a question for you. You are checking a patient's report. There is pH 7.30, PaCO2 52 mmHg, bicarbonate 22 MEq per L. Guess the condition. Options are respiratory acidosis, metabolic alkalosis, metabolic acidosis, respiratory alkalosis. I think you are right. No, confused. Watch this entire video, you will be able to answering confidently. Hey guys, this is Neeraj Kumar Kathal welcoming you on our channel. This video on acidosis and alkalosis mnemonics. Let's start the topic with revision of fundamental points. Point number 1. What is pH? Amount of hydrogen ion expressed as pH. Point number 2. Why pH is important? pH influences every physiological activity and health status. Examples are oxygen carrying capacity of RBC, enzyme activities, and your body's structural and functional unit. Cells can only survive in slightly alkaline medium. Point number 3. What influences pH? Food, sleep, stress, exercise, and amount of drinking water, etc. Point number 4. How pH is measured? By blood, by urine, by saliva. Normal blood pH ranges between 7.35 to 7.45. Below this called acidic pH and above the level called alkaline pH. PaCO2 ranges between 35 to 45 mmHg. HCO3 ranges between 22 to 28 MEq per L. Saturation of O2 ranges between 94 to 100%. Now it's time for mnemonics. ROME, Rome. Rome is the word that helps you to decide whether this acid-base imbalance due to respiratory or metabolic reason. Here, R stands for respiration, O stands for opposite, M stands for metabolic, E stands for equal. Let's use this mnemonic to diagnose which type of acid-base imbalance is present. First, we talk about respiratory imbalance. Whenever you are analyzing data, always check pH level first. By this, you can diagnose the condition is acidic or alkaline. If pH is below 7.35, it means confirm acidosis. If pH level above 7.45 means confirm alkalosis. So we decided condition is acidic or alkaline. Now decide condition is respiratory or metabolic. Use two first words of mnemonics R and O. R stands for respiration, O stands for opposite. Let's focus. This is the important step. If pH increased and its opposite PaCO2 decreased, it means confirm respiratory alkalosis. I am repeating, if pH increased and PaCO2 decreased, it means confirm respiratory alkalosis. Second condition, if pH decreases and its opposite PaCO2 increased, it means confirm respiratory acidosis. I am repeating, if pH decreased, PaCO2 increased, it means confirm respiratory acidosis. According to the mnemonics, in the respiratory acidosis or alkalosis condition, whenever the pH increases, the PaCO2 decreases, or whenever pH decreases, PaCO2 increases. This is the main concept. Now decide about the metabolic acidosis or alkalosis thing. As per the rule, always check the pH level. If pH level below 7.35, it means confirm acidosis. If pH level above 7.45 means confirm alkalosis. Now we have decided the pH is acidosis or alkalosis. To decide metabolic thing, mnemonics last two words M and E are used. M stands for metabolic, E stands for equal. If pH increased and its equal HCO3 also increase, it means confirm metabolic alkalosis. I am repeating, pH increasing and HCO3 is also equally increasing, it means confirm metabolic alkalosis. Condition 2, if pH decreasing and its equal HCO3 also decreasing. It means confirm metabolic acidosis. According to the mnemonics, metabolic conditions have equal effect on the pH and HCO3. pH decreasing, HCO3 equally decreasing means confirm metabolic acidosis. Let's solve the question. pH given 7.30, normal range 7.35 to 7.45 means pH is less. It means acidosis confirm. Next value is PaCO2 52 mmHg. We know normal range is 35 to 45 mmHg. It means PaCO2 is increased. According to the mnemonics, respiratory opposite. Here pH is decreasing and PaCO2 is increasing. It means condition is respiratory acidosis. Third value bicarbonate is normal. So answer A, respiratory acidosis is right. Thank you for watching friends. I hope you like our efforts. If you like, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel.